Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the physics class. Today we are going to discuss about this few problems on the force and the laws of motion. We already discussed about this particular problem. So in this problem, a truck starts from rest and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. So here we have a hill, okay, like this. A truck is here. Okay, let us say this is the truck. It starts from rest and rolls down say what here? Hill. It travels a distance of 400 meters. So it travels a distance of what here? S is equal to what here? 400 meter it will travels. And in how many minutes, seconds? In t is equal to 20 seconds. Find its acceleration. First we recover to find out what here the acceleration of the body. Now let us say S is given, S is equal to what here the 400 meters. And the time is given as what here the t is equal to 20 seconds. And u is equal to what here? 0. The initial velocity of that body we don't know. So therefore we can consider it as what? 0. Now we already know that S is equal to ut plus of at square. S is nothing but what here the 400 meters is equal to u is 0. So the entire thing is becomes what here 0 plus half into a means what here we don't know. We require to find out acceleration. So therefore a is what? So therefore a into what is t here? The t is given as what? 20 square. So 20 square means what happens here? 400. So therefore 400 is equal to half into a 400. Now what happens? We get cancels. So what we get? 400 is equal to, so 200 into what here? A. So what is A here? A is equal to 400 divided by 200, that is equal to 2 meter per second. So this is what the acceleration of the body. So the acceleration is equal to the 2 meters per second square. Now what is the next part of the question? Let us say find the force acting on it. If its mass is 7 metric tons, it is a 7 metric tons. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000. So what is the mass of that body? So the 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 kg means 7 metric tons means it is equal to 7000, what is that? Kg. Mass is equal to what here? This particular mass is 7000 kg. Now acceleration we already identified. Acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. Therefore F is equal to m into a. Therefore m is 7000 into 2, that is equal to what here? 14,000 kg meter per second square. So it is nothing but a what here? So this is how we have to do this problem. Okay. Now let us go for what here? The next question. A stone of 1 kg, mass is given, mass is equal to 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg is given. Thrown with a velocity of, it has a what here? The velocity. So it means that this particular velocity is considered as what here? Initial velocity. Therefore the initial velocity of this is equal to what here? 20 meters per second. Across the frozen surface of the lake. Across the frozen surface of the lake. Comes to the rest after a distance of, the distance is travelled is what here? 50 meters. What is the force of friction? We require to find out what is the force of friction between stone and the water, the ice. Okay. Now let us analyze like this. Okay. We have one formula, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. With the help of this, I can able to find out what here? The acceleration of the body first. Before we going to study about the force, we need to find out about the acceleration first. What is the V square here? So how to analyze this one? A is equal to V square minus U square divided by what is that? 2S. I change the subject of the formula, that's all, to find out what here A. Therefore, A is equal to, what is V? Don't know. Minus U is 20 square divided by 2 into, what is the S here? S is 50. Therefore, now A is equal to 400 divided by A is equal to minus meter per second, 4 meter per second square. Okay. So now let us go for what? The force acting on it. What is the force acting? The force is equal to mass into acceleration. What is the mass of the body? The mass of the body is equal to what? 1 kg. We have already given 1 kg into minus 4, that is equal to minus 4 into. The negative sign, what is present over here, it is indicates that what is the force of friction. There is a friction is an opposing force between what and what here. So here is a stone and here is an ice. This is an ice and here is a stone. Whenever the moves, it is an opposing direction. Okay. So this is the force which is an acting on body on opposite direction. Okay. So negative indicates the opposite what here? Force. So these are the two problems. So let us pass on to the next problem. Okay. An automobile vehicle. There is another problem is there, that is the third problem. Please work out in your the book. Please try that particular problem. I will go for a fourth problem. Okay. An automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kg. The mass is equal to what here? 1500 kg. What must be the force between the vehicle and the road if the vehicle is to be stopped with the negative acceleration of negative acceleration means what here? It is a retardation 1.7 meter per second square. Negative it is given. So I had written what here? Negative acceleration like that. Now it's a very simple thing. So the vehicle and the road, we need to find out the force between what and what here? The vehicle and the what here? Road. Therefore the force F is equal to mass into acceleration of the vehicle. What is the mass here? 1500 kg into what is that? Minus of 1.7. So it leads to. So on multiplying these two things, you will get a negative value of this. Negative of 2550 Newton. 2550. So the negative sign which is indicates the force which is an opposite, that is called as an opposing force, that is an acting on it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.